Thanks.
I'm right.
Let's take a look.
Alright, I am not going to hear that voice because it really sucks. But anyway, I'm going to say it instead. So, the New Jersey Office of the Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this test been an actual emergency, the intention signal you just heard would have been followed by an official information or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Now, I'm the one that's saying it, BB, because I do not want to hear that stupid, ugly voice that I do not like. So I don't know if it's over or not. I don't know.
Doors are open.
Oh, it is over. Oh, well, I didn't want to say it anyway. Oh, well. Well, NJTV didn't do it, so I would figure that this would have did it. So I actually said it exactly what that said. So there we go. And here goes the over. Here's his usual slogan, and done.